Good morning. Welcome to our fitness center. Are you a new member?
Hello. Yes, I am new. I want to join today.
That is great. I'm Linda. I am a professional trainer.
Nice to meet you. I'm Mike. I need a healthy change.
You are in the right place. We have many modern machines.
The gym looks very large. It is very clean here. I like it.
Thank you, Mike. We clean every hour. Health is very important.
What are your opening hours? I work early in the morning.
We open at 6 a.m. We close at 10 p.m. Is that okay?
That's perfect for me. I can come before work.
Great. Please fill this form. I need your name and phone.
Here's my information. I also have my ID. Do you need it?
Yes, please show it. Thank you. Everything is correct now.
How much is the membership? I want the monthly plan.
It is $40. This includes the swimming pool.
That is a good price. Can I pay by card?
Yes, use the terminal. Please insert your card here.
The payment is successful. I have my receipt now.
Perfect. Here's your member card. Do not lose it, please.
I will keep it safe. Where are the locker rooms?
They are down the hall. Go to the left side.
Thank you, Linda. I will change my clothes.
I will wait here. We can start the tour. See you soon.
See you in 5 minutes. I will be very fast.
Take your time, Mike. No rush today. You look ready, Mike. Let us start the tour. Follow me.
I am ready. I like my new shoes. They are very comfortable.
Those are good sneakers. Safety is very important here.
What is this area? There are many small weights.
This is the free weights area. We have dumbbells and barbells.
They look very heavy. I am not very strong.
Do not worry, Mike. We have very light weights. Start small.
That is a good idea. I want to build muscle.
We will use these machines. They are for your chest.
How do they work? Please show me the way.
Sit here, Mike. Push the handles forward slowly. Breathe out.
This feels a bit hard. My arms are shaking now.
That is normal at first. Your muscles are waking up.
I feel the burn. It is a strange feeling.
It means you are working. That is a good sign.
What about cardio machines? I want to lose weight.
The treadmills are over there. They face the big windows.
I like the view. Can I run and watch?
Yes, you can watch TV or you can listen to music.
I prefer music. It gives me more energy.
We also have rowing machines. They are great for cardio.
They look difficult. Is the technique hard?
I will teach you tomorrow. Today is just a tour.
Thank you, Linda. You are very helpful.
It is my pleasure. Let us see the pool. Let us try the treadmill. Stand on the belt, Mike.
Okay, I am standing. Which button should I press?
Press the green start button. The belt will move slowly.
It is moving now. I am walking at slow speed.
Good. Now increase the speed. Use the plus button.
I'm walking faster now. My heart is beating fast.
That is very good, Mike. You are burning calories now.
Should I run fast? I want to sweat a lot.
Not yet, Mike. Walk for 5 minutes first. Warm up.
I understand. My legs feel warm now. This is fun.
Keep your back straight. Look forward, not down.
Thank you for the advice. I feel more stable now.
You are a natural. Are you feeling okay?
I am a bit tired, but I can continue.
Drink some water now. Stay hydrated during your workout.
I have my bottle here. The water is cool.
Good. Now we will stop. Press the red stop button.
The belt is stopping. I feel a bit dizzy.
Stand still for a moment. It will pass quickly.
I'm okay now. What is next for me?
Let us go to the bikes. They are easier on knees.
My knees are fine, but I like cycling too.
Sit on this bike. Adjust the seat height first.
It is too high. I will move it down.
Perfect. Start pedaling now. Go at your own pace. Now we will use weights. This machine is for legs.
I need strong legs. I walk a lot daily.
Sit down and push. Keep your feet flat here.
This is very heavy. Can we change the weight?
Yes, move the pin up. Now it is much lighter.
This is better. I can do 10 reps.
1, 2, 3. Keep a steady rhythm, Mike.
I'm sweating now. My face is very red.
That is excellent work. You are pushing yourself today.
I want to be fit. My health is my priority.
You are doing great. Now try the arm machine.
My arms are weak. I never lift heavy things.
We will use 5 pounds. It is a good start.
I can do this. It is not too hard.
Pull the bar down. Touch your chest slowly.
Like this, Linda? Am I doing it right?
Yes, exactly like that. Your form is very good.
I am feeling stronger. This is a great feeling.
Exercise releases happy hormones. You will feel great later.
I already feel happy. This gym is very motivating.
I am glad to hear. Let us do one more.
What is the last exercise? My muscles are very tired.
We will do some planks. They are for your core.
Planks are very famous. They look very hard.
They are simple but effective. Just hold your body straight. The workout is over. Now we must stretch out.
I am so happy. I finished my first session.
You did a great job. Stretching is very important now.
Why do we stretch? My body feels very tight.
It helps your muscles. You will not feel pain.
That is good. I have work tomorrow morning.
Reach for your toes. Hold it for 10 seconds.
I cannot touch them. My legs are very stiff.
That is okay, Mike. Go as low as possible.
I feel a pull here. Is this normal, Linda?
Yes, that is the stretch. Breathe deeply and relax.
I am relaxing now. The pain is going away.
Now stretch your arms. Put one arm behind head.
Like this? I feel it in my shoulder.
Yes, perfect. Now switch to the other arm.
My right side is tight. I need more practice.
You will become flexible. It takes some time.
I will come every day. I want fast results.
3 times a week is best. Your body needs rest.
Okay, I will listen. You are the expert here.
Rest is part of training. It makes you stronger.
I'm learning a lot. Thank you for the lesson.
You are a good student. Now we are finished.
I feel very light. My body is very relaxed.
Drink more water tonight. Eat some good protein. How do you feel, Mike? Was the workout too hard?
I feel amazing. It was a great challenge.
I am proud of you. You finished the full plan.
Thank you, Linda. I will come back Wednesday.
Wednesday at the same time? I will be here.
Yes, 6 in the morning. I like the quiet time.
I will prepare a plan. We will focus on back.
That sounds very good. My back needs help.
Do you have your bag? Do not forget your towel.
Yes, it is here. I also have my bottle.
Good. Have a nice shower. The water is hot.
The shower sounds perfect. I am very sweaty now.
See you on Wednesday. Have a wonderful day, Mike.
You too, Linda. Thank you for the training.
You are very welcome. Take care of yourself.
I will. Goodbye for now.
Wait, Mike. You forgot your member card.
Oh, thank you. It was on the bench.
Here it is. Keep it in your wallet.
Good idea. I have it now.
See you later.
Goodbye.
Take care.
I will.